Hello everybody, my name is Yashashwini. I'm studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering in first year. So today I'm here to speak on the topic 4-stroke diesel engine, which is the topic in mechanical engineering. So let's start. So let's begin with the introduction to 4-stroke diesel engine. As we can see in this picture, so these are the 4 different strokes that takes place in the 4-stroke diesel engine. So a 4-stroke diesel engine is an internal combustion engine that operates on the principle of compression ignition. It is commonly used in heavy vehicles such as trucks, bus and other equipments. The engine has 4 strokes: suction stroke, compression stroke, power stroke and exhaust stroke. So in these 4 pictures which has been shown over here, the first one is the suction stroke, the second one is the compression stroke, the third one is the power stroke and the last one is the exhaust stroke. So let's study in brief about this 4 stroke. So first one is the suction stroke. So this is the diagram of the suction stroke. So as we can see the different parts, that is the cylinder block, the crankshaft, the combustion chamber and different parts, the cylindrical head and all these. So let's study about the suction stroke. So as you can see in this stroke, the piston moves from downwards. The piston moves from upwards to downwards, creating a vacuum in the cylinder. During this stroke, the inlet valves and the exhaust valves remains closed. So both the valves in this stroke remains closed, allowing the air to enter the cylinder. The air is filtered to remove any impurities before entering the combustion chamber. So the next stroke, that is the compression stroke. So in this stroke, the piston moves downwards to upwards. During this strokes, both the inlet valves and the exhaust valves remains closed. So as the piston moves upwards, air in the cylinder is compressed to high pressure and temperature. So at the end of this stroke, the fuel is separated into the cylinder by the fuel injector. So the compression ratio ranges from 16:1 to 12:1. So the next is the power stroke. So at the beginning of this stroke, which moves downwards, in this stroke the piston that moves downwards, as you can see in this diagram. So during this stroke, both the inlet valves and the exhaust valves remains closed. So during the combustion stroke, fuels is injected into the cylinder. The fuel that will be injected into the cylinder, the injected fuel ignites due to the high temperature of the compressed air. The expanding gases from compression pushes the piston downwards, generating power. So as the piston is moving downward, it generates power. This is the last stroke, that is in the exhaust stroke, the piston moves downwards to upward, pushing out the exhaust gases. During this stroke, the inlet valves remains closed and the exhaust valves remains open. As the piston moves upwards, it forces the remaining burnt gases out of the cylinder through the exhaust valve. The gases are directed through the exhaust manifold and into the exhaust cylinder, and this completes the cycle. So at this stroke, the exhaust stroke, where the completion of the cycle is done. So next we'll discuss about the advantages of 4-stroke diesel engine. So the first advantage, that is high efficiency. Diesel engines has a higher thermal efficiency compared to the gasoline engines. So that is one advantage. Fuel economy. Diesel engines consume less fuel per unit of power produced. So next is the applications of 4-stroke diesel engines, that is the automotive industries. So diesel engines are completely used in trucks, buses and communicable vehicles. Constructions and mining. Diesel engines power heavy machines and equipments used in the constructions and mining operations. So it is also used in marine industries, that is the diesel engines are used in the ships, boats and other marine vehicles. So now we are end to this video, that is the conclusion. The 4-stroke diesel engine is a reliable and efficient power source used in various industries. Ongoing advancements in technologies and fuel operations will continue to shape the future of the diesel engines. Understanding the working principle and the proper maintenance is crucial from optimal performance and longevity. Thank you.